This is the overall hardware setup for the project titled Interleaved Converter with Grid Configuration for Renewable Energy. These are the basic hardware blocks involved. The first three blocks together form the interleaved flyback converter. The first one, transformer, and the second block. These three together form the interleaved flyback converter. This is the microcontroller block wherein we have used PIC16F876A microcontroller. The 12 volt is applied to the circuit, and from that 12 volt only 5 volt is applied to the microcontroller, which is its operating voltage. That is done by using the regulator IC7805. This is the crystal oscillator used for giving clock pulses. This is the three-phase inverter wherein we have used 6 switches. The 6 switches are MOSFET IRF 840. These are the gate driver circuits provided for the isolation of the MOSFETs. For 2 MOSFETs, 1 gate driver circuit and 3 set of gate driver circuits. This is a 3-phase resistive load wherein we'll verify the output that comes from the inverter. The points are marked as R, Y, B and neutral. The input to this circuit would be a solar panel of 12 volts and 10 watts and a battery of 12 volts 1.3 amps. Initially, we'll give the solar panel, and from the output of the solar panel we'll connect to the battery, and from the battery will form the input to this circuit. Initially, we'll connect the solar panel to the battery. From the solar panel would be connected to the battery. Battery would now act as input to this circuit. Now we'll switch on the circuit and see how it operates. We have switched on the circuit and we can see the LEDs glowing. We are giving a light source to the solar panel, and the output of solar panel is connected to the battery. The battery will now act as input to the circuit. The LEDs are glowing to show that the circuit is working. We have connected the probes of the multimeter across the output of the flyback converter, and we have connected the probes of DSO across the resistive load. We can see the inverter output being displayed in the DSO. This is the output of the inverter, and the output of the flyback converter is around 120 volts. The output connected across the flyback converter. This is the 121 volts, that is the output of the flyback converter, and this is the inverter output being displayed in the DSO. Now we'll run a load. You can see that at point R and B I have connected the wires of the lamp and the bulb is glowing. Hence we can also run a load across the output of the 3-phase inverter. This is interleaved converter with grid configuration for renewable energy.